Do you want to give your customers more control over when and how they receive their orders? Try delivery options for WooCommerce. Let's dive into the features. First up, let's talk about the general settings. You can configure how flexible you want your customers' delivery options to be. One of the standout features is date selection. This allows your customers to choose the exact day they want their orders delivered, whether they need something for a specific occasion or want to avoid receiving packages when they're not home. On the admin side, several useful settings make managing deliveries smoother. With delivery slots, admins can define specific delivery slots for customers to choose from. Additionally, you can assign different delivery fees based on the day and even limit the number of orders allowed daily. Next is delivery estimates. Admins can set estimated delivery dates like 3 to 5 business days to give customers an idea of when to expect their orders. Another amazing feature is the time slot selection. Customers can select the best time of day for their delivery, ensuring it arrives when it's most convenient for them. Managing deliveries effectively during the holidays is essential. With the holiday management feature, admins can easily exclude specific dates to prevent deliveries from being scheduled during public holidays. From allowing customers to select their delivery date to managing time slots and holidays, this delivery option solution is packed with features to enhance customer experience and operational efficiency.